Hello, hello, hello. Okay, this video is how to do funny numbers. Okay, so something we've been working on all year is adding and subtracting two-digit numbers with regrouping. So we used to call regrouping borrowing or carrying over back in the day. So here is where I'd like them to go. It's the same place that has Kakuma, and it's gregtangmath.com. Okay, so let's go to Greg Tang Math. All right, now we are going to go scroll down to, let's see, where it says games. I must have, I think they changed it to where now it's under this little thing. So I click on that and then click on games. And it takes us here. We're looking for funny numbers. Aha, funny numbers. There's a big 6. Click on funny numbers. Okay, and we want to do base 10. So click on base 10. All right, so operation, I'll show you both. This one's plus, so click on plus. Aha, here's our problem. 35 plus 39. Now we want to add our ones together. 5 ones plus 9 ones equals, 14 ones. So click on 14. And let's go to the tens place. We have 3 tens plus 3 tens. Let's see, that would be 6 tens. Ah, look, we have a funny number. 6014. We need to regroup this 10 and shift it over to the tens place. So 6014 is going to be 74. Now, to grown-ups, that sounds kind of weird, I know, but the kids know it. So here's another one. We'll just do one more. 5 ones plus 5 ones equals 10 ones. 4 tens plus 3 tens equals 7 tens. 7 tens. 7010, that's our funny number. So when we regroup, what do we get? Aha, 80. Okay, and that is addition. I'm going to go back. And we're going to go funny numbers. Remember, we want to go base 10. Let's see what it looks like with subtraction. Okay, so we need to ungroup. So we have 35 minus 16. 5 ones minus 6 ones. We can't do that. So we need to ungroup a 10 and shift it over to the ones place. So instead of 3 in the tens place, we're going to have 2 in the tens place. And instead of 5 ones, we're going to have 15 ones. Oh, let's see. Oh, there we go. 15. So we had to make a funny number, 2015. Now we can subtract. 15 ones minus 6 ones equals, how many ones? 9 ones. 2 tens minus 1 10 equals 110. Our answer is 19. One more. 91 minus 34. We need to ungroup. We can't do 1 minus 4. Okay, so that's going to be 8 tens and 11 ones. 80, 11. Now we can subtract. 11 ones minus 4 ones equals 7 ones. Sorry about that. 8 tens minus 3 tens equals 5 tens. All right, so that is funny numbers. Now, if your child is not doing well with the subtraction, just have them do addition for now. But yeah, we have talked about both adding and subtracting. Some of them are ready, most of them are ready for it, not all, and that's okay. All right, thank you very much. Maybe have them do 10 minutes or so of this today so they don't forget how to do it. Thank you.